Hey, what's going on? And welcome back. This is Tuft It with Ty. In this video, we're going to be tufting a piece inspired by Picasso. There was a period of time where I was doing designs for t-shirts for people, and one of the guys wanted some things to do with like Picasso. Their company was like a spoof of that name, and I created this design. It never got accepted. However, the design is really cool, and it's just been sitting on my computer for a long time, and I think this would be a perfect project to use in tufting.
Alright, so I'm going to be using hardboard as my backing, and I had a great idea to project the design on it before cutting it. I'm going to be using a jigsaw to cut out the pattern, and that'll be my backing. Then to the belt sander just to finish up the fine edges so there wasn't any burrs. That cut pretty good, but there's just a couple areas that needed to be cleaned up. This is the yarn that I'm going to be using for this project.
I've got my yellow loaded up, and we're going to be tufting just this circle. That should do it for the yellow. As a side note, this yarn holder is pretty sick, and it works pretty good.
Little on the frame trimming just to kind of give that some definition. So the more I put in, the sharper the lines are going to be easier in the long run.
Got this turned around. I'm really starting to see why trimming on the frame really does make a difference. You can see right here in the eye, it's very sharp, very clean. Around the palette colors here, very, very nice, clean look. And I really am liking this idea. So I'm now feeling comfortable that I can trim on the frame. And the next is now to go through and trim the black and clean that black up, and then just keep going. There's only two more colors left. There's a tan, and then there is white. Alright, and just like that, we are all trimmed up. I'm going to be using Elmer's glue wall. So this should be good enough for just a wall piece. It's going to dry nice and hard. Glue's all dried. I'm setting up my next shot, but just over here, we got 2 eyeballs. Alright. Alright, now that we're all glued up around all of the edges, it's looking pretty smooth. Time to spray glue this to the backing and keep going. There's some areas where there's some tufting fabric showing through, but the waterfall edge is surrounding the whole thing. So theoretically, when I flip this over, we'll have to clean that up, but no backing is seen along the edge, which is perfect. This is going to look so nice once we clean this up. There we go. Now I can stick my sawtooth hanger back on. Alright, that's a wrap on the Picasso piece. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tufting it with Ty, and I'll see you in the next one.
I just wanna be great, yeah, yeah.